Everyone on the internet says you can move to Thailand cheaply, including myself, but almost nobody tells you how much money you actually need before you move. So in this video, I'm going to break down the real numbers. How much money you need your first month, how much you should save before you arrive, and the biggest financial mistake people make when moving to Thailand. Because if you don't plan this correctly, your dream move abroad can get very expensive, very fast. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. This is the Abroad Budget, where I break down the real cost of living abroad to help people make smarter financial decisions when moving overseas. I currently live here in Thailand, and today I'm going to show you the numbers most relocation guides don't talk about. Before we talk about the numbers, let me start with the biggest mistake people make when moving to Thailand. Most people only budget for their monthly living costs, but the real financial challenge is the first 30 to 90 days after you arrive. That's when you're paying for deposits, setup costs, visa expenses, furniture, transportation, and unexpected surprises. So let's break down the real cost of moving to Thailand, step by step. Your first month in Thailand will almost always be your most expensive month. Here's a realistic breakdown. Housing deposits. Most condos require 1 month rent plus a 2-month security deposit. So, for example, if your condo costs $500 per month, you'll likely need $1,500, which is roughly 47,730 baht just to move in. Temporary housing. Before you sign a lease, many people stay in a hotel or short-term rental. Budget around 630 to 1,600 baht, which is roughly around $20 to $50 USD per night. For 2 weeks, 9,500 to 22,300 baht, or $300 to $700 USD. Visa costs. Depending on your visa type, expect anywhere from 3,200 to 32,000 baht, which is roughly $100 to $1,000 USD in visa-related costs. Basic setup costs. Things like SIM card, basic household items, transportation, groceries. Usually another 6,300 to 12,700 baht, or $200 to $400 USD added on. Now, let's talk about actual monthly living costs in Thailand. Of course, this varies depending on your lifestyle, but here's a realistic range you can go by. Let's start with budget lifestyle. 28,000 to 38,000 baht, or $900 to $1,200 USD per month. A comfortable lifestyle. That's 38,000 to 63,000 baht, or $1,200 to $2,000 USD per month. A luxury lifestyle. That's 79,000 baht, or $2,500 plus USD per month. This includes rent, food, transportation, utilities, and entertainment. Now here's the question most people really want answered. How much money should you save before moving to Thailand? A safe rule is to have at least 6 months of living expenses saved. So for example, if your monthly budget is $1,200, you should ideally have about $7,000 to $10,000 saved before moving. This gives you ample time to settle in, adjust your income, and avoid financial stress If you want to move to Thailand comfortably and safely, here's the number I usually recommend. Between $8,000 and $15,000 in savings. That covers move-in costs, visa expenses, emergencies, and several months of living expenses. Now, if you're seriously thinking about moving to Thailand, I created a guide that will really help. It's called the Thailand Starter Kit. It's a free guide that includes a relocation checklist, cost of living estimates, housing tips, and the biggest mistakes people make when moving here. In my next videos, I'm also going to show real condo prices in Thailand, how to avoid rental unknowns, and the best cities for expats on different budgets. And one thing I also want to mention, and this is something many relocation videos don't talk about, are the hidden costs of moving to Thailand. These are small expenses that seem minor at first, but they can add up quickly during your first few months living here. For example, many new expats underestimate transportation costs when they first arrive. If you're using rideshare apps, taxis, or motorbike taxis every day while you're learning the area, that can easily add another 3,000 to 6,000 baht, or $100 to $200 to your monthly spending. Another cost people forget is health insurance. While Thailand has excellent healthcare and medical costs are much lower than in many Western countries, it's still very important to have some type of international or local health insurance plan. Depending on your age and coverage level, this could cost anywhere from 1,600 to 6,500 baht, or $50 to $200 USD per month. And then there are lifestyle upgrades that naturally happen once you settle in. Maybe you start eating out more often, exploring different cities in Thailand, taking weekend trips, or upgrading to a nicer condo once you learn the area better. These lifestyle adjustments are completely normal, but they can slowly increase your monthly budget if you're not paying attention. That's why having a financial cushion when you move to Thailand is so important. It gives you the flexibility to enjoy living here, explore the country, and adjust your lifestyle without constantly worrying about money. And in my opinion, that's the real goal of moving abroad. Having the freedom to build a lifestyle that works best for you. So, if you're thinking about moving abroad or living overseas, make sure you subscribe to the Abroad Budget. I share real numbers, real life, no hype. This channel is all about helping people plan their move abroad the smart way. I appreciate you all tuning in and watching. Thank you to all my subscribers. You all are leaders. Blessings.